Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I got ready for my best friend's wedding.
Audio Jungle.
First of all, I am taking this Friskis lip balm and applying all over my lip to keep them hydrated. And then I am taking this sunscreen and applying it all over my face as a moisturizer, as this is a day makeup and I am going to be in sun, so I have to protect my skin, so I am using sunscreen instead of moisturizer. Then for the primer, I am taking this L'Oreal Base Magic primer, and this primer is really good if you have larger pores and oily skin. It really fill the pores and blurs out the skin, as you can see in this video. And it also creates a smooth base for the foundation application. It also holds the foundation really well, so it gives a long lasting effect to the foundation. And now for foundation, I am using L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Stay Fresh foundation. This foundation is my favorite for a long day. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't look cakey, and it just settles into my skin very beautifully. And I am blending it with the PAC blending brush. It is number 265. It might look slight light, but it oxidizes to my skin tone. Now for concealing and highlighting, I am using my favorite combination from Maybelline. For concealing, I am using the Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. And for the highlighting, it is the shade from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable 20. And applying it on the usual areas where I want to highlight. Now with this kind of a flat small brush, I am just blending the concealer as well as the highlighter out. I have also applied the concealer around my nose because I have redness there. So if you guys have any kind of redness on your face, you can apply your concealer there and it will go. Again taking the foundation brush to make sure that everything is blended very smoothly. So I am going through all of the places where I have applied the concealer as well as the highlighter to merge them together. I am using this foundation powder from MAC in the shade Medium to set my whole face. As this is a day event and it is really hot in here and I am oily skin type, so I have to set my whole face, otherwise my makeup will melt in no time. Now for the contour, I am taking this LA Colors I Heart Contour Makeup Palette and using that two dark shades with this angular brush. I am just contouring the usual areas of my face, but if you are a beginner and want to learn how to contour in detail, I have created an IGTV on my Instagram. You can go and check it out. And contouring my nose ever so slightly because I already don't have that a bigger nose, so I just want to give it a shape. Now I am taking this color which is near to my skin tone to merge the contour and the foundation and highlighter, everything in place. Now for my favorite part, the blush. It is from Faces Canada in the shade Perfect Cinnamon, and with this kind of medium sized dope brush I am applying on the apples of my cheek. And I really love to apply it on my nose. It gives the flushed look. Now taking this LA Girl Pro setting spray and setting all the powders and creams together so that it lasts long for the whole day. This highlighter is from Maybelline by Face Studio in the shade Molten Gold, and I love to apply highlighter, you guys know by now. And I am just applying on my high points of the face. I have done my eyebrows off camera. And now for the eyeshadow, I am taking this brown shade from the Beauty Professional palette, and with this blending brush I am just applying that brown shade in the crease. Now taking this shimmery shade with that bronze color on the finger and applying it on my lid. And again taking the same blending brush to merge the shimmery shade into the crease. Doing the same thing for the other eye. Using this kind of a pointy blending brush and applying that brown shadow into the lower lash line. And now I'm using this white gel pencil from Color Bar in the shade Innocent White to apply it on my waterline, as it will create an illusion of bigger eye. And now using this gel pencil from Smashbox in the shade Brood to create a nice soft wing liner. And with this pointy brush again I am just blending the liner so that it looks like a soft smudge line. Now curling my lashes with this Vega lash curler and applying this Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. As this was going to be a long day, so I didn't want it to apply any kind of fake lashes, so I'm just coating my lashes really good. Now taking this shimmery shade and applying it on my brow bones as well as on the tear ducts that are inner corners of my eyes. Taking this Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Very Cherry and lining my lips with it. And I know I have to wear a mask on it, but still I love lipsticks and I'm going to apply it. This lipstick is from L'Oreal in range Rouge Magique in the shade Scarlet Deja Vu. Again taking the same setting spray and finally setting my face for the last time. Now I'm back with my dress on and I love these jhumkas a lot, guys, but this is the thing that I don't wear earrings and it is really painful for me to wear earrings. But as you can see, they are worth the pain. They are so gorgeous. And these are my bangles. I love them. They are kind of small Kalira bangles. I love them and they are like white and golden. It matches my dress embroidery. And to finish off the look, I am applying the red bindi. I love bindis, you guys. And this dress has really nice net dupatta and I love that, man. Basically I love everything about traditional, so I'll keep saying that. Sorry, bear with me. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. It means absolute world to me. And after that, on this look I also wear the mask because that is really necessity. No compromise with the safety. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.